Morrocco Method Golden Crystal Elixir is rich in polyunsaturated fatty acids such as omega-3 and omega-6 and is perfect to help balance a dry or flaky scalp. The main active ingredient is sesame seed oil, which can be used to combat premature grays due to its hair darkening qualities, and can also treat scalp conditions like dandruff by being both deeply moisturizing and antibacterial to keep dryness, fungal, and bacterial infections at bay. If you are using our lunar hair chart, this elixir is best used in the spring or summer following the beautify goal. Apply elixir generously before your haircut and leave in for 24 to 48 hours before washing your hair.